Good evening, families. Nice to meet you virtually. My name is Mallory Newman. I'm the school counselor at West Seattle High School for students with the last names G through N. If you found your way to this video, you are either a student of mine or the parent of a student of mine. So hopefully after watching this video, you'll know a little bit more about me and the work I do at West Seattle High School to support you. So a little bit about me. I am in my 11th year as a high school counselor. This is my 6th year at West Seattle High School. I'm originally from Atlanta, Georgia, and got my undergrad at the University of Tennessee, go Vols, and my graduate degree in school counseling from the University of Georgia. So spent most of my formative years and schooling in the southeastern United States, and then ended up working at high schools across the country. Really, I at one point was licensed in Georgia, Tennessee, California, and Washington. So I think that's important because it really has changed my perspective and my lens and how I work with students, having worked not only in different schools or districts, but in different states entirely. So I feel like I bring a little bit of all of my schools to my work at West Seattle. I really enjoy traveling when I can, although with COVID and also the fact that I'm a new parent, I have a 1.5-year-old daughter. I definitely don't get to do as much travel as I used to, but really have enjoyed traveling the world. I've been to countries as far away as Japan, Israel, all over Europe, and I really enjoy getting to see different parts of the world and learn more about different cultures. So looking forward to getting back to that when my daughter's a little bit older and when we can all travel again. I also just wanted to include that I'm especially interested in the brain-body connection, and I think the way I approach my work as a school counselor is I really view every student in a holistic sense with a variety of needs, not just academic. And in the past, I've employed a lot of mindfulness strategies, breathing techniques in my one-on-one work with students, and find that work to be even more important in the current remote learning setting. So very interested in the brain-body connection and how learning some of these breathing and mindfulness strategies can really help ground our students, help them feel calm, present, and ready to learn, especially remotely. So what does a school counselor do? Honestly, at West Seattle, kind of a little bit of everything. I feel like we act as the glue that holds a lot of different stakeholders together. So we link students with teachers, with parents, with administrators, community organizations. I think our job is really to pull all of those groups together in supporting a student and help connect students to the resources that are going to help them succeed academically. And yes, academics are one of our domains, but really only one of 3. So the academic supports we provide include linking students to tutoring, credit recovery, making sure they're on track to graduate, helping struggling students. So that's definitely a big focus of ours. We also work with students on college and career planning, so helping them to find out what they're good at, where their skills are, how they can put those skills and talents to use, and then what that looks like after high school. Are they going to need to go to college for their chosen career field, looking at other post-secondary programs. So really helping them figure out during their time through high school what they're good at and what life after high school will look like. And then also social emotional support. So how can we continue to make sure students feel connected, that they're mentally healthy, and do we maybe need to connect them with some more intensive long-term therapeutic counseling services? School counselors are trained mental health practitioners, but we're really not, really should not ethically be providing long-term intensive counseling. That's when we loop in some of our community agencies to help support students who have longer-term mental health needs. So Schoology, again, if you found your way to this video, you found my Schoology page. So I have it organized by grade level. So within each grade level folder, you will find all of the lessons and resources that we do every year in that grade. 9th grade, we do kind of some intro to high school activities. 10th grade, we do some more career development. We give them like a Myers-Briggs type indicator test to help them learn more about themselves and what careers might be a good fit for them. 11th grade, we focus pretty heavily on college searching and college planning. And then 12th grade, we really drill down into applying to college, looking at specific post-secondary options, and really having a firm high school and beyond plan in place senior year. Naviance is the main tool that we use with all of our college and career planning lessons. So everyone has access to Naviance. There's no separate login required. To get to Naviance, you'll just go to the main district site, and then it's housed under the student portal. So similarly to the way you would connect with Schoology, you can find Naviance, and we use Naviance, like I said, in all of our lessons at every grade level to support students with college and career planning. So in the remote setting, probably the best way to schedule time with me is just to book an appointment directly with me. You're more than welcome to reach out to me via email or phone. I'll share my contact info in a second, but ordinarily I would have my office is up on the second floor in the school. I have an open door policy. Students can pop in at any time and talk, and I think that's been the hardest. The biggest challenge right now with remote learning is just not having that access to students. So I opened up my calendar. Basically, all you'll need to do is on that Schoology homepage, you'll just click that Meet With Me link at the bottom, and that will allow parents and students to book an appointment directly with me in 30-minute increments. So please don't be shy. If we need to talk, like I said, we can set 30 minutes aside, and we can get to see each other and hear each other in a Teams meeting, and you can do that virtually using the link below. So really hoping to thrive this year and make the best out of what we all know is a less than ideal situation. Again, I'm more than happy to connect with students through phone or email as well. So my district provided remote learning phone number is there below. It's the 425 number. You can call me on that number during school hours. I will not pick up if it's after school hours, but if you need to reach me from about 8 to 4 every day, you can find me there, and you can leave a message as well. And then my email address is mlnewman@seattleschools.org, so you can shoot me an email too. You can also message me through Schoology. So phone number, email, or a Schoology message, those are all great ways to connect with me directly. Or of course, you can schedule an appointment with me through my booking app. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you know a little bit more about me and what I do at school and how I can support you. Thank you.